Hi, this is Mike with Iconosys. Today we'll be doing a quick workflow video showing our shutter stream software for apparel photography. And we do have a lot of customers in the apparel industry who wish to shoot the apparel on basically not on a mannequin or model and just shoot kind of flat photography. We'll also be using our Iconosys LED LumiPad as well as one fluorescent softbox. Very inexpensive lighting setup, allow professional results, and our shutter stream is going to automate pure white background and background extraction. And so I've just enabled my live view. That's actually a live view of what my camera sees. You can see my hand going back and forth. I'm going to go ahead and take my object and place it in the center of my LumiPad. And I'll just do some quick styling here. Okay, so I've positioned my object here, and my first step is to, well, after positioning my object, I just want to ensure that I am shooting with the correct camera setting. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my aperture and my shutter speed. As you see, as I make changes, it's going to show me these results in real time. It looks still a little bit dark. What you want to do is shoot for maximum color accuracy. So it looks pretty good there. The other thing I will mention you can do is you can adjust your focal point manually. So you can see it's pretty well in focus, but if you ever needed to adjust your focal point, you can actually do so through the application. So we'll make a small refinement here, and looks quite good. Okay, so we'll shoot at that focal point, and simply to capture your image, you just hit snap. Within a second or so, it captures the image and uploads. We can inspect that one-to-one. As you can see, a very high quality result captured in just seconds. I will re-enable my live view. One other feature I want to point out is our image overlay feature. I'm going to hit create, and basically what that does is capture an overlay of what's in the live view window. And you're going to see this helps with positioning my subject. So if I want the exact same kind of position of the shorts front and back, I can certainly do so. So it looks pretty good there. And let's go ahead and take our second image. So we can see image 1, image 2. Let's continue to shoot a couple more pairs of shorts, then we'll move into the automated background extraction. Again, enable our live view and just place our next subject. There's our next image, and we'll shoot the back of these. And let's shoot one more pair of shorts here. And I will pardon the styling of the shorts. I'm just trying to do just a quick workflow video. Okay, so we've shot 6 pairs of shorts, or pardon me, 3 pairs of shorts, both front and back. And let me just go ahead and take one more image, and this last image is going to be just off the background. So I'll just hit snap here. That's going to capture an image just of the background. This is going to be used for our automated background removal tool. I'll take that background only image and enter into the editing area of the software and choose to add this current image into the background gallery. Now what that's going to do is that's going to be used for basically a reference image to understand where a product is versus where the background is, and automatically remove the background in all our product images. So I'll come into the background removal tool again after I've selected all 6 of my images to enter into the editing area. And you can see I have a threshold. If that's at 0, pardon me, if it's too high, it's going to start to eat into the subject. If it's too low, it's not going to basically cut it at all. So you want to find a good middle ground. I'm going to choose a value of about 5. And you can see the gray area that's blinking is what's going to be cut out. Now we can go and preview each of these images. We can go and see our next one to make sure those settings are going to work well for the back of our subject. And it looks pretty good. Now I'm simply going to hit apply to all. And what that's going to do again in a batch process is automatically cut the product from the background to give you these images on a transparent background. Now this is a pretty resource intensive task. I'm not using the fastest computer, but it is still a pretty efficient process, much more efficient than manually cutting these out. So let's go and take a look at our images here. It's image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So very high quality images. What we want to do here now is maybe we want to crop all our images. I've set my crop to automatically crop at 8:6 ratio. That would be in the case that we need all our images at, say we need these images at 800:600 for our website. I'm going to automatically draw a crop, and again I'm going to hit apply to all. And again in a batch process it's going to go ahead and cut out all these images at that 8:6 ratio. Looks pretty good here. Now simply what I want to do is just output these images. So I'm going to go and choose shorts. You can save JPEG, PNG, TIFF, RAW format. You can choose to resize. So again I said 800:600. Again I cropped it 8:6. So it's going to, if I just choose 800 wide, it's going to be 600 height. And we'll just save to our test folder here. Okay. And then we're on to shooting our next product. So it's a very fast, efficient, very easy workflow. Again, using our Shutterstream software. Today I'm working with a Canon camera. We also support Nikon, and we're adding new camera and new camera brands. And we're also working with our Iconosys LED Lumipad. I'll provide additional information in the video description below. Thank you.